This is multi-correct question, and in this question it is given here limit n tends to infinite 1 over cube root of 2 plus dot 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 up to cube root of n over n to the power 7 over 3 and these things equal to 54, and there are 4 options, and this is MCQ type questions. Now you try to solve this, and first of all I am writing the question function given in the question. Limit n tends to infinite 1 plus cube root of n over n to the power 7 over 3 a n plus 1 whole square plus 1 over a n plus 2 whole square dot 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 plus 1 over a n plus n whole square. Now we will write this in this term. N tends to infinite, the summation of from 1 to n r to the power 1 over n over summation from 1 to n 1 over a n plus r to the whole square and n to the power 7 over 3. And further we will multiply and dividing to adjust for integration. Limit n tends to infinite multiply by n over n to the power 1 over 3 sigma r equal to 1 to n r over n to the power 1 over 3 in denominator, multiply and divided by n square n to the power 7 over 3 over n square sigma r equal to 1 n 1 over a n plus r over n whole square, and this one will become after adjusting it will become 1 over n. Limit n tends to infinite 1 over n sigma 1 to n r over 1 to the power 1 over 3 over 1 over n sigma r equal to 1 to n 1 over a plus r over n whole square equal to 54 is given. Now we know that 1 over 1 will convert in dx and r over n convert to x. Then I am writing this x to the power 1 over 3 dx. Summation will convert from in integration, and upper limit n, lower limit 1, and it will belongs from 0 to 1, and 0 to 1 1 over a plus x whole square dx equal to and this one will become n to the power 3 over 4 x to the power 4 over 3 belonging 0 to 1, and in denominator minus 1 over a plus x belonging from 0 to 1, and this is given equal to 54, and now this way this one will become 3 over 4 over minus 1 over a plus 1 plus 1 over a equal to 54, and then it will be 3 over 4 a plus 1 equal to 54. now we get quadratic equation a square plus a minus 72 equal to 54, and after splitting the middle term it will become a square plus 9a minus 8a minus 72 equal to 0. a plus 9 again, taking a plus 9 as a common, we will get a minus 8 equal to 0. Now we got the value of a equal to 8 and 8 or minus 9. This is the solution, and here options A and D is correct, and this is the solution. Thank you. Have a nice day.